Good morning to you. Freezing and frosty first thing, but beautifully clear, crisp and bright. We've got some sparkling sunshine before the clear skies give way and we see more cloud arrive from the west. Outbreaks of rain to come. It's all change in the next 24 hours. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture, something of a split setup with the best of the clear, crisp conditions across many central and eastern zones. Much more in the way of cloud cover further north and further west. This cloud makes some headway through our neck of the woods a little later. But in the meantime, beautiful and bright, sparkling sunshine, clear and crisp, if so cold after that freezing, frosty, in places icy start. Temperatures take a while to recover. It will stay chilly all day and the cloud rolling in a little later, highs of just 5 or 6 degrees. So those temperatures remain on the low side with outbreaks of rain arriving after dark. So quite soggy for a time. The moisture left in the air from the rain will leave some misty low cloud and quite a grey start into the new day. A very different morning to today. Not quite as cold, frost-free, but staying quite chilly, just 4 or 5 degrees. And into tomorrow we keep a lot of cloud cover, disappointingly grey, but feeling so much milder come the afternoon. Temperatures doing just a little better for many of us. Good morning to you. A freezing, frosty start to the new day, but beautifully bright, clear and crisp. Sparkling sunshine before the cloud moves in and outbreaks of rain follow. A very different 24 hours ahead. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture, something of a split setup with clear blue skies across the bulk of central and eastern England. Much further north and west we've got more cloud cover. This cloud making some headway across our neck of the woods in the coming few hours. In the meantime, so cold. Temperatures dropped as low as -4, -5 last night, one of our coldest nights of the season so far. And we're greeted by some lovely sparkling sunshine before that cloud rolls its way in from the west and outbreaks of rain move in a little later. It's looking a little soggy out there and temperatures will slowly recover, but it will take a while after such a cold start, staying quite chilly for all of us, not much above 4 or 5 degrees. This combined with the cloud and the rain will make it feel even chillier. And then this cloud, a misty low cloud, will be left overnight due to the moisture in the air, and temperatures not quite as low as last night, generally frost-free, but a chillier start tomorrow morning again. The cloud cover sticking around for much of the day, disappointingly grey. And then as the afternoon wears on, it's looking a little milder. Temperatures will tend to do better than we've seen of late. Good afternoon to you. The chilly air is set to give way in the next few hours, turning so much milder with a switch in the wind direction, together with cloudy skies, a bit more of a breeze and outbreaks of rain. We've got a deep area of low pressure sweeping in from the mid-Atlantic, ensuring this switch in the wind direction. Milder air for all of us. Temperatures tend to recover, but brisk winds at times, outbreaks of rain and a lot more cloud too. This is the way things look this afternoon. Thick low cloud, outbreaks of rain moving through to coincide with the journey home from work. It's looking quite soggy for a time. And then the moisture left behind from today's rain will mean misty low cloud forms into the new day. So quite murky and gloomy into tomorrow morning. A different scene to today, with a thick low cloud from the word go, but nowhere near as cold, frost-free, staying above freezing, around 8 or 9 degrees in some urban areas tomorrow morning, and a lot of cloud as the day wears on. Any brighter breaks will be few and far between, likely to the east of the high ground. Generally speaking, grey skies, the thicker cloud producing some patchy rain and drizzle, so a little dull and damp. Quite brisk winds, I have to say, with a switch in that wind direction so much milder. Look at this, highs of 14 or 15 degrees. As chilly air gives way, a milder theme as we head through the next 24 hours. Quite blustery winds at times with cloudy skies and outbreaks of rain to come. We've got a deep area of low pressure sweeping in from the mid-Atlantic, ensuring the switch in the wind direction and much milder air for all of us. A very different theme as the week wears on. Quite brisk winds at times, a lot of cloud and outbreaks of rain now and again. As for this afternoon, the rain moves through. Quite a soggy scenario for the journey home from work. Misty low cloud left behind because of the moisture in the air, so quite a lot of gloomy grey sky into the new day. Not quite as chilly, mind you, not slipping much below 10 or 11 degrees for some of us. And into the first stages of Thursday morning, quite misty, low grey cloud and a bit of a breeze. So a little disappointing. Any breaks in the cloud will be best to the east of the high ground, but generally a lot of cloud, and we'll see outbreaks of rain moving through quite swiftly in those brisk and blustery winds. With the switch in the wind direction, the temperatures tend to recover. Nowhere near as chilly as it has felt of late. A much milder theme for all of us. Look at this. Even with those brisk winds and that thick low cloud, temperatures of 14 or 15 degrees through the afternoon. See you soon.